Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who just joined in, hi there. My name is Susie and I do makeup and personal style videos here on YouTube. If you reach the end of this video and you love the content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Today's video is for the lazy girls like me. And I don't mean that in a bad way, okay? I mean, there are days when I don't want to put a lot of makeup on my face, especially on those days where it's just too hot and I don't want to be bothered to put on foundation, concealer, contour primer, etc. I really just want to put very minimal makeup on my face. So I thought of doing this makeup video. It's an everyday makeup video for those days that you are lazy to put on a lot of stuff on your face. So, if you want to see me transform from this to this, please stay tuned and watch this video. Actually, this makeup video is the flip side of the previous video I just made, which is the realistic summer makeup tutorial. After that video, I thought talaga, ang init. Actually, ang init lately. And ayokong mag-apply ng sobrang daming stuff sa face ko lately kasi gusto ko siya talagang huminga. And aside from that, yung mga techniques kasi na nakuha natin from Nikki LaRose, which I did in the previous video, parang hindi lahat doon applicable sa weather natin dito sa Philippines. So I thought, sige gawa tayo ng isa pang video, which is this one, na will help ladies like me na minsan tamad mag-makeup lalo na pag mainit. Doon sa makeup tutorial that I did last time, hindi ako nag-moisturizer, nag-sunscreen lang ako. So ngayon, ibabalik natin lahat kasi yun talaga yung step na feeling ko, parang dito sa atin, kailangan mo pa rin talaga eh. I mean, lucky for those na hindi nag-a-apply ng moisturizer, ako talaga need. I'm gonna use the Eco Earth Pink Sun Cream. Lahat na guys, lalagay ko na. Should be a daily thing. The sunscreen and the moisturizer. Although may days talagang, sorry na, tinatamad ako maglagay. Pero those are days na hindi ako lalabas. Kaya pag lalabas ako, nasa arawan ako, definitely I have a sunscreen. And yun lang. Again, naglagay na ako kanina a lip balm just to moisturize my lips. This step is crucial for weather like ours because it's just too hot. And huhulas talaga yung makeup mo no matter what. But this will help to let it stay at least for more than a few hours. So, I will apply the Visco Aqua Grip Soothing Primer. Alam mo, it is soothing. Or should it be smoothing? Kasi it smoothens the face eh. In a way, it helps the makeup talaga. The star of this video, these. My Maybelline concealers. The Fit Me in shade 25. This one, I don't know the shade. I have to check sa store. The shade that I picked out is still too light. And I've used this na ito lang on my face. Ang ganda niya na yun lang ang ginamit ko and it really lasted me the whole day. Pero contour ako noon, nag-apply talaga ako ng mga bronzer so that warm siya ng kaunti. So today, ang gagawin ko, we are not going to apply foundation. It's just going to be concealer to cover up for the day. Isa pang gagawin natin today, very minimal lang ang ilalagay nating makeup. Bakit itong dalawa? One nga, this is lighter. This is the perfect shade. Brightening concealer, I will apply in this area, here, and then also on the forehead here. As for this one, it's going to be here, and other areas that needs coverage in the outer parts. Kasi parang ito yung pinakalalagyan natin ng brightening, including this one. Bakit silang dalawa ang minatch ko? Una, pwede naman sana akong bumili ng Age Rewind na darker, di ba? Pero guys, sayang, wag tayo mag-aksaya. Very pointless yung gagawin ko na yun dahil this works like this one. They're almost the same. So, let's do it. Ang kagandaan lang talaga nito. Very smoothing din talaga. Itong Age Rewind na to. Then sa mata. Parang Susie, ang dami niya na. Hindi, promise. Konti yan. Ito lang ang parang I find it very odd with this concealer kasi may sponge eh. Yung pag doe foot ang ginamit, kita mo yung product na mas madami. I look crazy but just wait. Guys, konti to. This is not a lot. It's just, this is a bit deceiving. So let's start with this part. Normally, on a lazy day, I would apply this and use just my fingers. Especially kung isa lang ang gagamitin kong concealer. But today, gumamit tayo kasi para lang maganda yung application. Remember from our previous video and the tips of Nikki LaRose, pat in the product into your skin. This shade that we have here. Ano talaga siya eh. Sakto talaga sa akin. Actually, guys, today ang init. I have the fan, I have the aircon. Kompleto Ricardos tayo dito sa aking mini studio. Okay, I'm gonna apply a little bit in some areas ha. Like, and then, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna smoothen it some more with my fingers so that mag-melt siya ng kaunti. We are done with the base. And then, I'm gonna apply a little bit of contour. Konti lang to, guys. Hindi to madami. And not on the nose this time. This is just to warm up the skin a little bit. You know this step, if you don't wanna do it, pwede rin. Lalo na kung iisa lang yung concealer na gagamitin mo. Ito kasi, I just feel like I need to apply because dahil dun sa isang concealer ko na masyadong light yata for me. Kaya, naglalagay ako nitong contour just to warm up the face. For the eyes, again, we're not gonna go overboard this time. We're just gonna apply some stuff so that it looks really nice and presentable. Not too much product, just enough. Just to put a base on. Ito lang. I'm gonna move on now to a little bit of the brown. This is the Natasha Denona, by the way. Again, you can stop here if you feel like that's it. You don't want to put any more stuff on your eyes. Ako lang, I will put a little bit of shimmer with the same brush na rin ha. Just to sort of like bind the whole look together. Parang what I like about this Natasha talaga, no? Parang it's so a very subtle eye makeup and it spreads really nicely on the eyes. Hindi siya parang a blob of glitter. It's a very creamy formula. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of eyeliner. I have the Nishido eyeliner, which is my favorite, the brown one. Let's try to do a tight line this time. Not too thick. Just here in the middle, I don't do a full line anymore. I tried to do a little bit of wing and then an angled brush. Ito yung kagandahan ng Nishido. Hindi siya mabilis matuyo. Kaya nakakagawa pa ako ng wing. Ayan o, ganda. Going back to the eyeshadow. And then I'll try to do this. Okay, wait lang. And then for the eyebrows, I'm gonna skip the styler and just use my regular Bobbi Brown eyebrow pencil. So why did I use browns today? Because it's basically for daytime. You've seen me do this like in all of my videos, I feel. So if you want to go ahead and skip this part, go ahead because it's the same thing. Ito lang, I'm making sure that like there's a part here that is shaded. Ano, actually, ang ganda na. And then, other side. All the brow products that I've used, this is one of the best. Itong Bobbi Brown. It's really good. Ayan. See? Actually, this time, I don't need to do away with the spoolie kasi parang perfect na yung nagawa kong brows today. Pero sige, konti lang. And then, we're gonna go on and apply mascara. Again, brown mascara. Uh-oh. Okay, leave that alone. We'll take care of that later. Ow! Oh my gosh. Yeah, these are the things that will... Oh, that's so painful. That's so bad. Okay, we're not gonna rub that. Just wait. The trick is don't rush. Okay, let me show you how I'm gonna remedy this because the good thing about just one thing being applied onto your skin is that it's easy. What I did was, kahit na masakit, the moment the mascara dried, I used this to remove it. Yan. We're back in action. Wow, that was so painful. It's just a remedy that we're doing. This one, go back here. Hindi ko na pinisil, guys, ha. Okay, now that we've fixed it, let's move on to powder. The moment I found out that it's better to apply powder first before the blush, I think this is what I have been doing. I didn't change anymore or basta hindi na ako nagbago. Ito na yung ginagawa ko. And then we're gonna use, syempre, Maybelline tayo ngayon. Maybelline concealer ang ating base. Let's do a Maybelline Fit Me powder, which is so good, by the way. This is perfect for when you want to forget about your makeup and you don't want to reapply. Ito yun. Of course, I'm gonna pat it in. The powder is really gonna help the blush. And now, next, we're gonna apply blush. This one, doon na tayo sa subok na subok. Lazy, okay? When you say lazy, it just means you don't want to put too much stuff on your face, but you want to put those products that will really work, and they're gonna work so hard. Let's use my Bobbi Brown brush. Let's use the Bobbi Brown bronzer. It's a bronzer and it's, I'm gonna say it, I think it's a blush because this throws me off still because it's pink. So here, before I apply directly to my face, ito, sure na napakaganda at hindi mo to iisipin. This is like a flush of color on your face as well. And again, when I say hindi mo iisipin, it's those that it's just there. It's not gonna move around. It's not gonna disrupt your makeup. That's why I say this is more of a blush than a bronzer because it does warm up your face. But I feel like the shade is just too peach or it's just too pink because bronzers to me are like this. So now next, it's the bronzer. This one, I'm just gonna put a little bit to warm up some parts, not entirely. Like here, just here if I would. I don't want to put too much or just a tad bit on top of the bronzer, rather the blush. I feel like I'm too fast. I'm going too fast. Or maybe it's because that's really how it is when you apply this makeup. You don't want to take too long. A little bit on the nose. And now the lips. Next is lip liner and lipstick. For this tutorial, gusto ko lang ng something na kapag sinuot ko na ngayon, malilimutan ko, let's say, mag-reapply at mukha pa ring nice yung lips ko. Ilalagay ko lang to. Normally, the liner, hindi ko na yan nalalagay unless may oras ako. This is, by the way, the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner. But what's gonna happen is, I will just use this on the onset and then later on, I will apply 2 lipsticks na mix ko together. So, normally ito, gagamitin ko lang talaga dito. And then, mamaya, lipstick na lang talaga. The liner is just there to make sure I have a shade on my lips. It's not really for anything else. It's basically that. And then, I will mix these two. The Revlon Super Lustrous Cream Lipstick in Mink, which I love, by the way. Here. Kaya ako sinabing 2 lipsticks. I tried this out with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Medium and I loved the outcome. It just became a deeper brown. There. This is us today. We are done. So this is the final look. You know what I'm gonna say. You know what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say I love it. Of course, I love it. I find joy in every time that I share my makeup tricks and tips to you guys, okay? Sometimes it's a hit or miss. You may or may not like the makeup that I apply, but wala lang. I really just want to share it with you guys. If you're one of those who find it super helpful, thank you. Thank you so much. But okay, but let me share with you why I love this makeup look. First, I only use a primer and concealer. Hindi tayo nag-foundation, pero we did almost everything, right? Also, there's minimal eye makeup. There's minimal contour also. Hindi ganun kadami. I've actually used this makeup before. I used it the whole afternoon and it lasted me that whole afternoon. Ang ganda nung naging outcome, naging itsura nung concealer after a few hours. I want to show you how good these concealers are. So after a few hours, I'm gonna come back and we are going to test this makeup na mas mainit ng kaunti kasi lunchtime to eh. Morning ako nag-start, lunch na. So I will do everything downstairs where it's hot, and then let's see how the concealers will do. So please stay tuned. I am back. It has been 3.5 hours since I applied my makeup. I did a lot of things today. I ate my lunch. I was on the first floor of our house, so it's quite hot. And then I had my coffee. I even had to do a VTR where I had to change my clothes and eat something. And then I also had to buy food for my dog. So I had the elements. I had the dust, wind, and the sun today. So what can I say? It's been 3 hours. First, I forgot my makeup. Talagang totally forgot about it. I wasn't so conscious that I don't have makeup, or second, that I have a lot. It's the type that you really forget. These products, what I like about the Maybelline concealers is that you really forget about them. Second is that they will not crack. They are very smooth on the skin, and you will not see any cracks or any patchiness or sumasama dun sa wrinkles mo. Yun yung kagandahan nitong dalawang products na to. But keep in mind that the coverage is enough. It's not a totally full coverage look, because if you really do want a full coverage, you have to apply foundation to make it full coverage. But for me, with the comfort that I want, ito enough na to. It's so comfy on the skin and it's smooth enough that you will forget about it. But the coverage, guys, hindi siya 100%. My texture is speaking through, which I'm totally fine with because it's something that I can I can no longer hide. Now, third, pick the best sunscreen to put underneath. If you are gonna be under the sun, make sure that you pick a sunscreen that will smoothen out your skin. Because I did say my texture is peeking through. It's not a totally full coverage. It is full coverage enough. Your texture will come out. That's why you need to pick a sunscreen that will not create texture on your skin. I think that's another crucial step in doing this. But definitely, as a daytime makeup, as something that, as makeup that you want to forget and not worry about during these techniques are perfect for you. So go ahead and try these out, because the Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser and the Fit Me one, tried and tested today. Really, really good products. Apart from it being super not so expensive, you can really trust that they will do the work. And that is it for today's video. I sure hope you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. If you are going to try it, please let me know in the comments what you think. If it's something that you're gonna do on a regular basis, let me know. Please talk to me, guys. I would love to hear from you. Just comment below and I will try my best to also reply. And I sure hope to see you on the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye!